Anyway, I just want to congratulate the coaches, Coach Leo, the coaching staff, the PTs, inalagaan, yung girls namin, mga utility, and of course, the players, yung mga klase kayo, lahat ng mga bata sa amin, maganda ng laro, si Chris Ross, si Marshall Lassiter, lahat ng bata, maganda ng laro, no? So, Marshall, lahat ng 5 years na mga ito. Okay? Pero, I just want to say thank you sa support ng aming boss, ang aming pinaka-boss at ang aming chairman na si Boss Arcel, ang aming presidente na si Mr. Paul Ang, and of course, ang presidente na sa PMP, si Mr. Carlos. Mr. Carlos, para sa inyo yung po. Ang ihiwan, matagal kami hindi nakabalik sa championship, kaya nandito na kami. At pinapasalamatan ko ang bubuo ng PTA, si Commissioner Willie Marcial, down to his staff. Salamat sa mga governors na mga nanood, mga kasama ko. Salamat. And sa Wednesday Club, palagi na dyan, nakasupport sa akin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Lalong-lalo na sa mga fans! Ibang klase kayo! Salamat sa inyo! Alam ko, matagal kayo nagkulay, hindi na yung champion kayo, nandito kayo. Maraming pong salamat. Salamat sa walang isawang pagsuporta sa akin. I love you all!
Thank you very much, SMC Sports Director, Mr. Al Francis Chua. From PBA, nabigay na natin ang award for the champions. Pero alam niyo na, meron pa tayong kailangan bigyan award. It's now time to name your Season 49 PBA Philippine Cup Finals MVP. We call on Commissioner Willie Marcial to be joined by our PBA Press Corps, Mr. Jonas Terado from Inquirer, Mr. Ruben Terado from Snidla Page, Mr. Justin Baptiste from Tiebreaker Times, Mr. Marcus Carlote from the Daily Tribune, Jillian Trinidad from One Sports, Mela Fuertes from Inquirer.net, and JK Carandan from GMA News Online.
Okay, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Lalo na sa San Miguel Building, 38th PBA Championship or your 38th anniversary. On behalf of the PBA Press Corps, we are glad to once again decide to award the first day of the final series. Without further ado, with 30.8 points, 3.5 rebounds, and 3.3 assists, the PBA Press Corps Finals MVP goes to Jericho Cruz!
Jericho Cruz is your Finals MVP! And of course, to celebrate his first Finals MVP, Jericho, kung pwede sana humingi kami ng counting words. Please give it up for your Finals MVP, Jericho Cruz! SMP! Champion na tayo ngayon! Una-una, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord. Kasi dahil sa kanya, wala ako dito ngayon. So, thank you so much. And especially kay Bosal. Kasi si Bosal, nagbuhay sa akin yung finals na to. Kasi every game, andyan siya palagi sa tabi ko. Ang lagi lang ako nito sa game. So, Bosal, maraming salamat, Bosal. And sa mga coaching staff, kay Boss Walker, kay Boss G, sa Boss Leo, especially sa mga teammates ko. Wala ako dito ngayon, kung dinaan sa kanila. Thank you! And sa Press Corps, maraming salamat sa pagkikita sa akin. Yun lang, God bless sesyon. And inuman na! Ang sarap ng Sanity Beer! There you have it, your finals MVP, Sheridan Cruz, and your champions in the Philippine Cup, the San Miguel Beermen! Beermen, Mr. Robert Noy.
Good evening.
Team, Coach Leo Austria to share a few words. Coach Leo, of course, winning his 10th PBA title as head coach.
But anyway, first of all, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Gatong Mighty for all the opportunity he has given to us, especially the San Miguel team. And also, I would like to congratulate Comitex for bringing out the best in us. All teams have deserved victory in the championship, but there's only one, which is San Miguel Beermen. And this performance of our team will not happen if not for the support of our management, especially our boss, RSA. Boss, thank you very much. And of course, si Coach Al Francis Chua, every day during the series, nandito siya sa amin to give some motivation. And that's very important for us. And that's
Ulagi na po natin tawagin our dear PBA Commissioner, Mr. Willie Marshall, and our PBA Chairman and Governor of the TNT Copa 5G, Chairman Ricky Vargas, at rin ang PBA Vice Chairman and Governor of Barangay Nueva San Miguel, Governor Vice Chairman Mr. Al Francis Chua. And now we call on the team, your runners-up, and definitely gave us a show the entire season. Please give it up for the TNT Copa 5G! A proud fight na pinakita sa atin ng tropa. And they were chasing that elusive Grand Slam. But they come out still with 2 of the 3 possible championships sa season na to. TNT won that, and so they definitely gave their fans a lot to celebrate in the 49th season of the PBA. Once again, ang ating runner-up, TNT Copa 5G. Congratulations on ating runners-up. Now, we proceed to welcoming the champions of the Season 49 PBA Philippine Cup, your San Miguel Beermen! Number 22, J.M. Palma. Number 11, Andres Tehin. Number 1, Chris Rosales. Number 21, Jerome Tang. Number 3, Hogan Blue. Number 2, Don Rogado. Number 91, Robin Rangal. Number 39, Jericho Cruz. Number 13, Marcio Lassiter. Number 6, Chris Ross. Number 33, Lami Johnson. Number 77, CJ Perez. Number 15, Jumar Fajardo. Head coach is Coach Leo Austria, with assistant coaches Peter Marquez, Agustin, Tayo Mendoza, Nico Rabanes, Rose Samar, and Chris Ross. Team consultant is George Galvin, team manager Gia Vanilla, and assistant team manager Mr. Daniel Henares. Team governor is Mr. Robert Noy. So, papasok na tayo sa ating 50th season 1. Of course, kailangan muna natin koronahan ang we're moments away from crowning the team that lorded over this conference ang ating Philippine Cup champions. Alam niyo, itong series na napanood natin was an incredible one. Marami nangyari, may mga injuries, pati ang panahon. Naging challenging for our teams, but at the end of the day, both TNT and San Miguel showed up. At tayo mga fans, tayo mga manonood, you were treated to incredible basketball. Kumain mo palapakan natin ang TNT at ang San Miguel for the series that we saw in these finals. Well played from both sides. Eto sa mga minutong to, dito natin nakikita yung the center court to be cleared for the awarding ceremonies of the season